Hey there, welcome to our video. Today we have an interesting problem to discuss. The question is it okay to share the same coroutine context across different coroutines? You might be thinking, what even is a coroutine context? Well, let's dive into it. So, let's talk about the solution to this problem. Yes, it's generally okay to share the same coroutine context across different coroutines. All coroutines inherit some context from their parent scope, but they also create their own child context. If you're curious about how this context passing works, I recommend checking out the article linked in the description. It provides a helpful diagram to visualize the concept. Now, it's important to note that the semantics of your custom context elements play a role in whether sharing the context is suitable for your use case. So, make sure your context elements align with the behavior you expect. It's all about finding the right balance in your coroutine setup. In summary, sharing the same coroutine context across different coroutines is generally fine, thanks to how coroutines handle context inheritance. Just be mindful of your custom context elements and ensure they align with your intended behavior. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.